Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 430D M Sport Gran Coupe in Alpine White. As you can see, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a brand new set of 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres as well. You'll see at the front of the car the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Down the side, we've added the gloss black sidebars and satin side viners, which work really well with the factory BMW gloss black air breathers. It also comes with BMW sun protection glazing, as you can see on the rear windows. In terms of the vehicle's interior, it comes with one of my personal favourite leather variants. It has got the M Highlight Black Dakota leather, which for front drivers and passengers you can enjoy electric movement, memory and heated seat options. So there you can see the blue stitching and 3 tricolour stripes as well. We've also got the very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound option in this car, which gives a real nice punch to the stereo system. An 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And we shall now take a look at the rear seats, where of course you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest and the very nice darkened M Sport headline, and all of that being in really nice condition. Also, take one last look at the rear alloy wheels before we hop round to the very back of the car, where on this 4 Series Gran Coupe we've opted to go for that high gloss rear spoiler and then the matching rear diffuser. If you've not yet checked out the Gran Coupe boot space, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a very big area. Also, you can split fold the seats as well as remove both the top and bottom partial shelves. Onto the driver's side now, where you can see there it's an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle. The 4 Series Gran Coupe really are a very striking looking car, especially when they're paired with these fantastic alloys and of course that full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. So now we're finished with the exterior, we are of course going to go ahead and take a seat inside the car. I'll start it up for you and we'll show you around at this wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen that we have. The sat-nav system itself is a really user-friendly system, very quick, very easy to use, also utilises real-time traffic updates. In terms of communication, you'll find you've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as you can see there. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection and a USB and AUX input. Down here we'll find dual climate controls with switches for our heated seats also. The car itself's covered just over 37,000 miles, as you can see there. I did mention about the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. I'm now going to show you really quickly the service requirements and service history. And again, if you would like to find out more about this vehicle, including all of the prices, funding options available, simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. So there you can see not only the service not due for a long time, there is also full BMW service history with this vehicle as well. So thank you all very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And as I mentioned, all you have to do to find out more is simply follow the links down below. You can of course alternatively give us a telephone call, and those contact information is also in the description for you. Take care, bye bye.